A burglar knows your house inside out, but so does a real estate agent. The difference? Well, one wears a blazer and sells overpriced properties with a license and a smile. Imagine buying your kid a condo near campus, only to find that it's 6 football fields away from the nearest MRT. And the worst part, you paid double what others did in that area. Crazy, but it happens if you don't do your homework. So, how can you know how valuable a property really is? Is it the square footage, the number of bedrooms, or just whatever the realtor says it is? Let's look past surface level appeal and uncover what truly drives property value, because one data-driven decision separates a smart investment from a costly mistake. The Philippines faces a growing population, limited urban space, and a housing market that's increasingly unaffordable. When browsing for homes, Filipinos living in a city ultimately want 2 things: access to transport and retail. Our team's research adapted Taiwan's predictive valuation model to standardize property pricing and redefine how value is assessed in the Philippines. So why Taiwan? Because it's a neighboring country smaller than Luzon with similar urban challenges. We specifically looked into data from Xinjiang district to see how house age, distance to MRT stations, and nearby convenience stores affect property prices. The results? Well, they show while older homes typically decline in value, our findings in Taiwan reveal a key exception: location. Properties with strong access to transport and amenities can retain or even increase their worth over time regardless of age. Our study also revealed that location isn't just important, it's expensive. Homes closer to MRT stations and convenience stores are significantly more valuable. In fact, every 100 meters farther from an MRT station can reduce property value by around 500,000 pesos. Imagine this, just a 1-minute walk farther from an MRT station can lower a home's value by 500,000 pesos. That's how much access to transport and retail really matters. So what now? The data from Taiwan doesn't just inform, it empowers. It shows us that location isn't just a preference, it's a price tag. And when applied correctly, it can reshape how we plan, invest, and live. For governments, it means smarter urban planning, less congestion, more affordability. Like how Taiwan is beginning to link transit and housing through transit-oriented development, building homes right on top of metro stations to reshape city living. For businesses, it means choosing locations backed by data, reducing risk, and maximizing long-term value. And for citizens, it means making wiser decisions about where to live, what to prioritize, and how to demand better cities. This has been Alvarez, Dela, Cruz, and Tan from BSBIA, where data is king.